The Citan combines compact exterior dimensions, length, 4,498 mm, with a generous amount of space. Thanks to a number of different versions and practical equipment details, it offers plenty of different usage possibilities and convenient loading. The Citan will be launched on the market as a panel van and a tourer. Later there will be further variants with a long wheelbase as well as a mixto version. But even in the short wheelbase variant, 2,716 mm, the Citan offers much more space compared with the predecessor model. On the panel van, for example, the load compartment length is 3.05 meters, with the flexible partition wall. Sliding doors are a practical feature, especially in tight parking spaces. The new Citan is available with up to 2 sliding doors. They offer a wide opening on both sides of the vehicle measuring 615 mm. The height of the load compartment opening is 1,059 mm, both figures represent the clearance. At the rear, too, the load compartment is easily accessible. The loading sill of the panel van sits at a height of 59 centimeters. Meanwhile, the 2 sections of the rear doors can be blocked at an angle of 90 degrees, and can even be moved through 180 degrees to the sides of the vehicle. The doors are asymmetrical, whereby the left-hand door is wider and has to be opened first. As an option, the panel van can also be ordered with rear doors featuring heated windows and a windscreen wiper. Upon request, a tailgate is also available which equally features these 2 items of equipment.